everybody, it's 444RR, and I'm really excited. I got this in the mail today from good old Magicgeek. Yes, I'm super excited. This is what I think it is. So let's do an unboxing for it right now. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to rip that. Ooh, it's going to be so exciting. I think this is going to be my contest, my shopping spree prizes. Yay! That's what it is. All right, let's see. The normal shipping stuff. A March 2014 Geeky Times. And here are my prizes that I won. First one is one of my favorite routines, 3D advertising. Mine actually broke, so I got a brand new one. This is 3D advertising. So excited! Ah! And then this one is the radioactive trick, which I'm really excited to actually open this up and try it out. Ooh! Oh, I just opened it up. I'm not going to show you the gimmick, but on the box it says gimmick. Like you didn't know this was the gimmick. Okay. And this is one that I'm really excited about for my kids' shows. Cakes and Aiders. I'm really excited for Cakes and Aiders. I'm going to learn this, and hopefully my little niece, the one you've seen in some of the 365-day magic challenge videos, will come over because I want to try this out on her. So I'm really excited. These are my prizes for the Magicgeek contest. Make sure there's nothing else that I need to be aware of in this order form here. Nope, that's it. Well, I'm really excited about all my prizes. So definitely, and before you guys ask, I will do three Magic Mondays for all of these. Not at the same time, but I will do probably 3D advertising. So I already know how this works. So this will probably be on the next Magic Mondays. And then I'll probably end up doing radioactive for the next one. And then I don't know about the last one, about Cakes and Adders. So I don't know when my niece will be able to come over and film. But I'm really excited. I'm super excited. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of my Magicgeek shopping spree prizes. And I'll see you in my next video. Do you know how to mix up cards? You say, you are not cards. You are not cards. You get the 2 tubes and you get a certain amount of bottles. Let me grab one of the real and usable. You're probably talking like $100 trick. So that's why. And it's a real... Their selected card will say there's the King of Diamonds, goes right on the table. And all